Hello and welcome to my review of the Logitech G610 Orion mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard comes with your choice of either Cherry MX red or brown mechanical switches. It has white LED per key backlighting, nice media controls, and a game mode button that disables the Windows and menu key. Looks wise, the front of the keyboard is a matte black plastic, giving it a minimalistic and subdued look. The sides are glossy plastic, and the back is a corrugated, semi-glossy textured plastic with non-stick tabs in the corners and a two-step height adjustment legs, giving it nice ergonomics. For the USB cable, it is stiff, but it can be forgiven as it is also braided, and at the USB end, it has a nice picture of a keyboard and the Logitech G logo so you can identify what cable is what behind your tower. This is what the mechanical key switches look like. Note, these are the brown key switches that I have. Software wise, the Logitech gaming software leaves something to be desired on the user interface level, as it is not the simplest task to set a game profile, so to say. But one redeeming quality of that software is the Logitech Arcs control software, allowing you to monitor system temps and usage such as CPU. Albeit, for me, the CPU temperature monitoring doesn't seem to work, which may be related to Ryzen, as my friend's Intel-based MSI gaming laptop seems to show temperature just fine, although it's a small problem as everything else seems to work. Price-wise, this keyboard came in at 120 Canadian, and for its price, RGB would have been nice, but beggars can't be choosers, and I had to RMA this keyboard as the R LED got desoldered from the board and would flicker every time it would be touched. Now, the Logitech RMA service is a very nice, great customer support, and I'll use it again. That is all for my review of the Logitech G610 Orion mechanical gaming keyboard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more videos.